to
another day of
the
Wacky
Taffys. Good.
Yeah.
I like that. Anyway, today we got this Nerf gun of awesomeness.
Well, it's not awesome yet.
What? It's awesome. I like it.
It's kind of small.
Oh, small. You want to talk small to me? You want to talk small to me? You want to talk small to me?
I didn't know it was small, okay?
Okay. Of course you did it. I'm not going to shoot. Ah! Okay, so by the way, guys, you want to have safety while using these. This was not loaded, as you see. The bullets will and can hurt, so be careful, because safety is safe. So, Ella, do you know what we're doing today?
Are we grabbing cups and shooting them?
How do you know? Jeez. How do you know?
I don't know.
Well, okay, as you heard from her, we're grabbing cups, and the person to shoot it with the least amount of bullets wins the first round. We'll come up with other stuff, but yeah, let's do it. Whoa! Okay, Ella, you ready? Ella, stop it! Ella, no! Stop it! Ah! Ella is going first. Let's see how many cups she can knock down. Remember, Ella, it's the least amount of shots for all cups. I forgot to load it. Ooh, all but 5. Okay, that counts. Okay, you have 2 more. They're covered. Okay, 1 more. It's in the back. Oh! How many shots? That was 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 4 shots. 4. If I could make it in 3 or less, I win the first challenge.
Here goes match. Oh, we just have 3 more.
Come on. 2 more. That's 2 shots. Please.
That counts.
I know. It's just. No! No! No!
1, 2, 3,
No, please, no.
4.
4, please. Please, no. 1. No, please.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. That's what
5 bullets. I hit the freaking ledge right here. No! I can't believe it. Why? Okay, she's gone. Ella doesn't know what our next challenge is, but it's the blind bandit challenge, as I call it. I'm gonna blindfold her, put cups strategically around the room. Can't speak today, sorry. And then I'm gonna sporadically, I'm gonna unblindfold her. She's gonna look and snipe each one. And if I